Hello everybody, Off-Grid Maker here. Another walk and talk episode, and today I want to talk about the off-grid community and why it's important to someone who is wanting to go off-grid. The off-grid, and I should include homestead community in this, are pretty awesome bunch of people, and to a beginner it can be a valuable resource because most of the people in this community are very willing to share the things that they've learned, what has worked, what hasn't worked. Most of them will go out of their way to help you out. There are tons of workshops and groups to join online and offline, and this is where you will get most of your useful knowledge, because living off grid is not something that we're just taught in school. There's no textbooks on it, things like that, and so the knowledge is a traditional knowledge, and you can buy books, and that's great, and you can watch videos like this, and that's great, but the real value is in talking and being around people, communicating with people who are living the dream that you want to live. And there are different ways to do that. You've got online organizations. For those of you that are probably on Facebook, you're going to find lots of communities on Facebook groups, and I would suggest, and maybe I'll do a full video on this at another time, but if you're like me and a lot of off-gridders and homesteaders, Facebook is pretty annoying. They choose what you get to see in your feed. They're forever showing you advertisements, trying to, they're selling your time, they're selling your information, they're selling your attention. It's annoying. I'm not on Facebook. I'm on a platform called MeWe. If you haven't heard of it, I suggest checking it out at least. It is a free platform. It's a social platform, very similar to Facebook, except that there are no ads. They don't censor what it is you see or cannot see. They don't censor the content that's on there. The only censorship that is on MeWe is user censorship. So I choose what I see, I choose what groups I'm in. I can create a group, and as the creator of a group, I can censor that group. They don't sell your information, they don't even collect your information. So anyway, I'm not going to get all into that, but check into that. There are a lot of great groups on MeWe. I'm a part of several. I'll leave some links in the description to some different groups that I like, and I'll leave a link to my page. You can join mine if you like, but there's great information on there. Other online communities, and I'm not sure you would call this a community, but Pinterest is really good for off-grid homestead stuff, and you can just find a ton of ideas on Pinterest. And I know for a lot of you guys out there, you think Pinterest is for the ladies. I promise you it's not. It's been true for a long time that there are more ladies on Pinterest than there are men, but I assure you there's all kinds of good stuff on there for the guys. Everything from survival skills. I can't even go into the list. Just anything. It's a search engine just like Google and YouTube, and whatever you want to find is going to be on there. I'll leave some links, some Pinterest links in the description so that you guys can automatically find some really good stuff. There's a turkey. Okay, so where was I? The online That sounds funny to say. The online off-grid community is a great place to find information. A lot of people are sharing the things that they know on there. There are blogs, there are forums, there are podcasts, there are YouTube channels. And again, I'll leave a bunch of links down in the description of this video of different podcasts and blogs and forums and things that I like. I'll share them with you guys. Subscribe to my channel if you like it. That would be wonderful. I've also got a blog, offgridmaker.com. I write all kinds of articles there. You can subscribe to the newsletter there. When we're talking also about especially YouTube, it's important to go out there and find channels that you like and follow them and subscribe and watch their videos. But what is more important than that is to engage with those YouTubers. Ask them questions, leave comments, ask them to make specific videos about something you would like to learn about. The YouTubers would love that, I assure you. To be given an idea of a video directly from someone who subscribes to you is like a little golden nugget for us YouTubers. At least I assume they would all like it. I would love it. Because I'm here to give you guys valuable information, and what's more valuable to me than to find out exactly what kind of information you want. There's also the offline community. So in your local area, there's bound to be groups of people gathering together that share common ideas. And they may not necessarily be off-grid groups, but there will be gardening groups, there will be permaculture groups, survival groups, bushcraft groups, hunting groups, fishing groups. There will be all kinds of local groups that you can go to meetings, you can shake people's hands, you can build personal relationships with people that are living the kind of thing you want to live. Anyway, I think I got a little bit long-winded just to say that the community is a valuable place for you to be if you are chasing a dream to live off-grid. Anyway, I will talk to you guys on the next one.